Welcome. Today we'll journey into a place of deeper understanding through connecting with our higher self, that part of us that holds infinite wisdom and unconditional love. True understanding begins when we are willing to see beyond the surface and connect with the essence of who we truly are. Begin by closing your eyes or softly focusing on the fractal and taking a long, deep breath in through your nose. Hold this breath for a moment, feeling the fullness of your being, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or distraction. Let yourself settle into this space, feeling the gentle support beneath you. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize a radiant golden light here, warm and steady. This light represents your higher self, always present and always guiding. With each breath in, feel this light expand, growing brighter and more luminous. With each breath out, allow it to fill your entire being, creating a sense of calm and readiness. Imagine yourself standing at the threshold of a beautiful, glowing doorway. This doorway leads to a sacred space where your higher self resides. Take a step forward, and as you pass through, you enter a space filled with soft light and peace. Feel the presence of your higher self, a serene and compassionate energy that feels both familiar and deeply loving. Now, silently ask your higher self, "Show me what I need to see to truly understand myself today." Allow any images, thoughts, or feelings to arise. They may be clear or subtle, but trust whatever comes. Remain open and observe with a gentle curiosity, free from judgment. If you encounter areas that feel hidden or difficult to look at, imagine your higher self placing a reassuring hand on your shoulder, filling you with warmth and safety. Breathe into this feeling and repeat to yourself, "I am willing to see." I am willing to understand through love. Let these affirmations flow through you. I align with the vision of my higher self. I see beyond the surface to the truth within me. Understanding flows when I open myself to it. Feel each word resonating your being, merging with the light of your higher self, creating a deeper sense of connection and clarity. Stay in this space for a moment longer, feeling the peace and insight that come from being fully present with your higher self. Know that this connection is always here, ready to guide you whenever you seek understanding. Gently bring your awareness back to your heart center, feeling the golden light still glowing softly within. Begin to deepen your breath, feeling your body grounded and present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes if they were closed. As you return to your day, remember that true understanding is a gift from your higher self, one that is always available when you choose to look with an open heart and mind. Understanding your higher self means being willing to see yourself as you truly are, whole, loved, and wise. Trust this connection and let it guide you to deeper awareness and peace.